Here new topic from the calculus. In that limits topic, this is the calculus. In this calculus, first topic is the limits. The question is limit extends to 3 x square plus 2x minus 15 by x square minus 5x plus 6. If limit extends to 3, we apply here. This is 0 by 0 coming, but it is not 0. If x is equal to 3, it is 0 by 0 coming, but it is not a x is equal to 3. X reached to 3. So that's why here any factors are there, cancellation is there. We check factors what 5 3s 15, 5 and 2. These factors x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. X square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. Here x common, x plus 5 minus 3 common, x plus 5 is equal to 0. X plus 5 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here two factors. So if not equal to 0 also factors same. These are the two factors of this one. Next denominator x square minus 5x plus 6. Here 2 into 3 6. X square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Here x common, x minus 3 minus 2 common, x minus 3. Here x minus 3 into x minus 2, two factors here for this. So according to given question, this is directly written as x plus 5 multiply x minus 3 division. Here x minus 3 multiply x minus 2, whereas limit extends to 3. Here x minus 3 terms cancelled. So limit extends 3. Now directly apply here 3 plus 5 division 3 minus 2 coming. This is equal to 3 plus 5 8 by 3 minus 2 1. Answer is 8. Here option is third option. Very simple. Here limit extends to 1. Second question, x power of 3 minus 1 by x minus 1. Any formula for this? So formula is there. Limit extends to a, x to the power of n minus a power n by x minus a equal to n into x power of n minus 1. This is the one formula. So according to this formula, here x is x, a, here a, here 1 same, and here x cube, here x. Compared to this, n is equal to 3, a is equal to 1. Comparing that principle, n is equal to 3, a is equal to 1. So here n into a power n minus 1. This is also a power n minus 1. So here n is equal to 3 into a. 1 power of 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 means first option is the right answer. Here third problem. Limit extends to 2 x power minus 3, 2 power minus 3, x minus 2. Previous formula according to x power of n minus a power of n by x minus a, limit extends to a. This is equal to n into a power n minus 1. According to this formula, this is n is equal to minus 3, a is equal to 2. Simply we use this formula. N into a power n minus 1. N is how much? Minus 3. A how much? 2. Minus 3. Minus 1. Minus 3 into 2 power minus 4. This is minus 3 by 2 power 4. This is minus 3 by 16. 2 power 4. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 4 16. Minus 3 by 16 is the answer. Third option. If you have any doubts, call me for my number. Yes, fourth problem. this is some different not using this formula. This is by L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule means L'Hospital rule. What is the L'Hospital rule? If the function in 0 by 0 form, this is 0 by 0 form, we use this L'Hospital rule. So numerator differentiation and denominator differentiation. After that we apply the limit here. So we know already differentiation. By using L'Hospital rule. So numerator log x differentiation 1 by x minus 1 constant differentiation 0 by x differentiation 1. E also constant, that is also 0. Now limit apply, x tends to e. So it is equal to 1 by e. 1 by e, second option is the right answer. Solution. Here e power of x minus 1 x by x square. We apply 0 here, e power of 0 1 minus 1 0, and this is also 0, numerator 0, denominator also 0. It is in indeterminate form, 0 by 0. It is in indeterminate form. So we apply the L'Hospital rule. 0 by 0 form. We apply the L'Hospital rule. Limit x tends to 0 as it is. E power of x differentiation e power of x 1 0 minus x 1 by x square differentiation 2x. Again we apply the 0, e power of 0 1 minus 1 0. It is also 0. Here also 0, 0 by 0 form. Here also 0 by 0 form. Again we apply the L'Hospital rule. Here also e power of x differentiation limit x tends to 0, e power of x itself minus 1 also 0 by 2x differentiation 2. So if we apply 0 here, e power of 0 1 2 as it is, 1 by 2 answer. Second option is the right option. Another way also there, but it is the shortcut way. Here solution. Here x tends to 0 means this is 1. This is also 1. 1 minus 1 0. Here also 0. 0 by 0 form. It is also indeterminate form. But if we differentiation, that root also 1 by 2 root 1 by 2 root, again more process are there. By simply using the rationalization method. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x square minus 1 minus x square. So this rationalization factor, its opposite, here minus, here plus. 1 plus x square plus under root of 1 plus x square by again same term plus 1 plus x square. Close, limit x tends to 0. This is the rationalization. Here minus, here plus. This is totally cancelled by 1. So now a minus b into a plus b. It is a square minus b square. What is that formula? A plus b into a minus b form is equal to a square minus b square. By using this formula, a square how much? This root cancelled. 1 plus x square coming minus. This root cancelled, 1 minus x square cancelled. Next denominator 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x square. Now limit x tends to 0 as it is. Here same numbers what? 1 minus of 1. This 1 cancelled. About 2x square minus 1 minus plus x square plus x square 2x square division 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x square. We use x tends to 0 here. Here no cancellation, but directly apply the 0. Here 2 into 0, here 1, here 1. 0 by something 0. This is 2 into 0 by 1 plus 1. So 0 answer. Here first option is the right answer. Limit extends to 3. Mod of x minus 3 by x minus 3. So here mod means here plus or minus here. So here extends to 3. This is depending upon x values. See, if x minus 3 modulus is equal to positive x minus 3, when it is positive coming x greater than 3, that means x tends to 3 plus. Here x tends to 3 plus means right hand limit. 3 above values, 3.001 etc. 3 above values, then it is the positive. Limit x tends to 3 plus. This function is positive. X minus 3 by again x minus 3 coming, so it is cancelled by 1. So 1 coming. Next limit x tends to 3 minus left hand limit. Here x minus 3 is equal to minus of x minus 3. When it is coming x less than 3. Less than 3 means below 3. 2.9, 2.009 etc. Below 3 values, not 3 exactly. Then it is negative. So in this 3 minus case, minus of x minus 3 coming by x minus 3. So it is also cancelled, but cancelled by minus 1. So here right hand limit to plus 1, left hand limit to minus 1. So left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. So not equal. If left hand limit to right hand limit equal, that limit is exist. Otherwise not exist. So here limit does not exist. Limit does not exist. Why? Because LHS or LHL is not equal to RHL. Does not exist. Here if it is equal, exists. So option is fourth option, does not exist. Here 6 power of x, 3 power of x, 2 power of x plus 1. So according to this combination, 3 is here, 2 is here. In this 6, 3 into 2 also there. In this 6 power of x is written as 3 power of x, 2 power of x. Then we take the factors. So 6 power of x means it is 2 into 3 power x. It is 2 power of x, 3 power of x, like this. So now this is written as 3 power of x, 2 power of x, minus 3 power of x, minus 2 power of x, plus 1 by x square. Now this 3 power of x, 3 power of x here common. So 3 power of x taken common, 2 power of x minus 1. Again here minus 1 common, 2 power of x minus 1. Division of x square. Whereas limit x tends to 0. Here also limit x tends to 0. Now we take the 2 power of x minus 1 common in this. Again here 3 power of x minus 1 remaining by x square. Same limit x tends to 0. So this two terms written as 2 power of x minus 1 by x. This x square is split into 2 parts. Here x, 3 power of x minus 1 by other x here. X into x square. This into this, same as to above. So here both are similar type. Which formula can be used here? Since a power of x minus 1 by x, limit x tends to 0 is equal to log a. This is the useful formula. A power of x minus 1 by x, limit x tends to 0, log a. If e power of x minus 1 by x, that is 1, here log a only. If e power of x minus 1 by x, limit x tends to 0, it is 1. But in this case a, log a also. So here this is log A means instead of A 2 here. That's why log 2 multiply. Here instead of A 3 is here. So it is log 3. Log 2 multiply log 3. Here limit extends to 0. Here limit extends to 0 means apply to this both are. So this is log 2, this is log 3. So where is the log 2 log 3? So here third option. Third option is the right answer. Limit extends to 0. 1 minus cos 2x division cos 2x minus cos 3x. So both are separate formulas. Here 1 minus cos 2 theta by using formula 1 minus cos 2x. Here theta is the x. So 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. This is one formula. And denominator in terms of cos c minus cos d, use this formula. Cos c minus cos d is equal to minus, otherwise 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2. This formula. Here, if c minus d by 2, if we write here minus coming. Without minus, here d minus c by 2 correct formula. So, according to this formulas, 1 minus cos 2x, limit extends to 0. 1 minus cos 2x is the 2 sin square x. 2 sin square x division. Cos 2x minus cos 3x. This is c, this is d. 2 sin c plus d by 2. 2x plus 3x by 2. 5x by 2 and d minus c by 2, 3 minus 2 x by 2 sin x by 2. Next 2 cancelled. So here sin square x, that is written as sin x by x multiplied by sin x by another x. Here x division, here x division. So x square extra denominator. Thus we multiply again by x square, division of. Here sin 5x by 2. Sin 5x by 2, division of 5x by 2 and multiply by 5x by 2. Here also sin x by 2. Here sin x by 2. Here x by 2 extra multiply by x by 2. What is here? Why we write like this? Limit extends to 0. Sin x by x, it is 1. This is also 1. Sin x by x, limit extends to 0. It is equal to 1. This formula. Another formula, limit extends to 0. Sin ax by x. This is equal to a. Here 1, here a. Why? Because x quotient a here. That's why this is 1. This is also 1 into x square. But here this by this here 1. This is 5x by 2. Here 1 into x by 2 is equal to 1 by, here x square cancelled, 5 by 5 by 4 is equal to 4 by 5 coming. This is the right answer. Here solution, cosec theta in terms of sin 1 by sin theta minus cot theta is the cos theta by sin theta by theta. Limit theta tends to 0. Here LCM sin theta. Here 1 minus cos theta by theta. Limit theta tends to 0. 1 minus cos theta is the 2 sin square theta by 2. Here theta and sin theta. Sin theta is written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 of angle formulas. 1 minus cos theta is the 2 sin square theta by 2 theta sin theta 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 gets cancelled and 1 sin theta by 2 cancelled, remaining sin by cos tan theta by 2 by theta. So here tan x by x is the 1, otherwise tan ax by x is equal to, limit extends to 0, it is a. According to this, here a theta quotient 1 by 2, whereas limit theta tends to 0. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Second option is the right answer.